Today's recipe: pistachio biscuits. 2 cup all-purpose flour, maida, sift together flour, and baking powder. 100 g butter. Rub in butter finely. Six ounces castor sugar. Mix well. 3 tbsp pistachio chopped. 1 standard egg beaten. Mix to dough with vanilla and beaten egg, warm milk 5 tbsp, as per required. Green food, color few drops. Refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, make 18 to 20 biscuits. Bake in 375 F or gas number 5 for 10 to 12 minutes. Or pistachio until pale golden. After 10 minutes, pistachio biscuits is ready.